Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby D, back again with another hot, juicy video. And guys, we're back in Austin, Texas, with the legend himself, Steve Cook.
Bobby, I don't know about legend, but I'm so happy you're back.
Me too. It was always great seeing Steve, as always. And Steve, I'm always, trying to find ways, to prevent hair loss, fight it. I'm not blessed with great hair genetics, obviously, having hair transplants and all that. But I came across, PRP. I heard that was, a possible thing to help you, prevent hair loss or fight it and everything. So I was kind of, wanted to get your expertise on it and see what you thought.
Absolutely. So for those of you that have not heard of PRP, it's plasma-rich platelets. Everybody has that in their system and their body. It's part of your blood. We need to get that plasma out of the blood. And how that's done is we get a couple test tubes of blood from your body that's taken out, put into a centrifuge, which is a spinning mechanism that actually pulls out the plasma. Now, PRP is used in many different medical applications. In cosmetics, one application could be for women or men, mainly women, that want to go into a clinic that does Botox and fillers and whatnot. They get a bunch of microneedling done in their face, and then they're injected with this PRP. Kind of gives them like that swollen look and kind of invigorates all the cells in the face and is refreshing and, of course, youthful, and they feel good about that. So in hair restoration, a lot of the dermatology clinics, a lot of plastic clinics, a lot of cosmetic clinics and med spas who are not specialists in hair restoration have kind of jumped on board and somewhere along the lines found out that taking plasma out of your body and putting it in your scalp will enhance hair growth. In my studies, in my years, and from doctors I've spoke to in this industry, there's no real standard science behind that. I'm always skeptical when I see everybody doing it, and of course you always see the bottom line results are going to vary. So what is the exact science? To me, and to who I've spoke to, there is no science that says the hair is going to grow from putting plasma in your scalp. Now, some clinics, Dr. McGrath in Austin as an example, and some other clinics years ago, were taking a cell, which is a stem cell biomatrix component that's used in burn units and tissue repair, orthopedic surgeries, and sports medicine and things like that. And this stuff is mind-blowing. I mean, like, they make it in like a sheath form, and it's like Star Trek medicine, where this fireman could have third-degree burns laying in a hospital, and they kind of wrap it on his arm, and you literally see like the skin morphing over the sheath. It's freaky weird. That's pretty impressive. So what the top hair surgeons in the country did was kind of partner up, talk to the company that was making this product called A-Cell. And it was made into a special mix of powder form. The PRP was used to get the powder into the dermal section of the scalp, and that was all the PRP was being used for. There was no claims that the PRP was the one or the component that was helping the hair grow. The A-cell was the one or the component that was helping the hair grow. So I know this sounds a little long-winded, a little complicated, but to get something into the scalp, we use PRP. Again, my knowledge and what I research, and I'm a patient and a consumer, PRP doesn't seem really exciting to just stick it, the plasma in your scalp. There are other injectable treatments, and while we're on the conversation about it, I will tell you that whoever you speak to, be very careful, because results are going to vary. And what I tell patients that speak to me is whatever it costs, whether it's $400, $500, $600 per session, PRP is usually done in derm clinics about 6 sessions or 5 sessions. Or if you have one injectable treatment of other products like exosomes, which is a higher level, which communicates directly with the stem cells in your scalp, you're not guaranteed to get any results at all. That's what you need to hear. So what I tell the people is whether it's $5,000 or $3,500 or $7,500, if you can't afford to lose that money to pay for that procedure and not getting results, then don't do it. So there is no quick fix. I always say if I have a magic wand, I would help all of you out there. So to answer the question directly, I'm not a big fan of PRP. However, there's a big placebo in there as well. I've heard from some people that say, hey, I went down to my local plastic guy. He shot some PRP in my head. My hair looks great. That's great news, because hair looking great is better than hair not looking great.
True that.
It's a lot of information in one video, but You asked.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I come to you, the expert, Steve. So, but yeah, guys, I guess it's go at your own risk. And, if it works for you, great, but, results may vary as we've discussed. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for some more hair related content coming your way.